Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to open multiple folders at once on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let's say we have already opened a folder and we wish to open another folder here. So one method is to right click on it and select open in new window. In this case, a new window for the new folder will open and we can use both of them simultaneously. If you are using the newer version of Windows, then you have one more option. Right click on it and select open in new tab. In this case, the new window will appear as a new tab just like it happens in browsers. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.